designed for 18 and over. Over. Say 18 and over. Over.
Yeah. So me I say good evening, good afternoon. Yeah. You see a lot of people out there them a look for good and say them want good. A lot of man out there look for good and say them want good. So me I say basically them a look for good and can't find it. You see me? But you want to see some of them people now. Them not have God in them thing. You see me I say. I want if a girl out there say them a look a good man. You see me? And when the truth start reveal in them face, them say you treat them bad and you treat them start match up with other rest of man of them there. That's what I say. Yeah. Basically some girl a liar, some man a liar, you see me? In order to look good or say you seek somebody very good, you have to have God in your thing. You see me? Yeah. And God will provide that person for you and that person you will seek and God will make you find that person. So I want if a man out there say them a look good and when you get it then treat it bad. I want if a woman say them a look good and when you get it then treat it bad. And then again some of them so lie too. Some of them girls are so lie and some women so lie too. Them have more than one male a chat to. Some man have more than one female a chat to. And when time catch up on them a say them not have nobody and them not run up and down. You see what I say? So basically, if you is a smart person, you don't have to argue with a girl or a girl don't have to argue with you. When you find out the girl ways or the girl find out the man ways, she does cut, you see what I say, and him does cut. Basically because she not good and him not good, you see me? Yeah. Two bulls can't run in a one penny now. So basically a lot of people say them a love, them a seek good, them want somebody very good. And when God provide this somebody very good and loyal to them now, them start to treat the person bad, them start to take a bag of yeast from person, and them start to run up and down like a dog. You see what I say? Both, it go both ways. But when I say, yo, you have some girl and some woman, not normal. You see me? People do pretend. Some of them say they want good, but the good of them look is just for you. Send on money or you buy them things and so. So basically from you start sending on some money or you start buy them something put in them house. It's like say you're good. Sometimes them take your things and then start bant against you because them find a different man where nah give them nothing much. Some man are the same thing. They find a woman we nah have nothing much to do. We nah do nothing much for them and yet still the one girl of them in that from day one, them start treat her bad and run away. It's just like some girl, whenever them get caught up, when them catch them man with a with a different woman, it's like she still talk about that man. So that basically that woman is a idiot or a fool, you see me? Because if me have a girl and me catch her with the next man, me cut gone. Me even talk about her and not think about her, you see me? I say, it's gonna hurt, yes, but why talking about the person? Why calling the person same way? Why try to in a conversation? Why try to hide and meet up the person? That means that basically this is why you find some woman and some woman get messed up and dead, you know. And this is why you find some man get messed up and dead too. Because enough woman out there sleep with the enemy, enough man out there sleep with the enemy. You see me? So basically God show everyone a sign. And if you know say a girl not good or a woman not good, cut left that. And if you know say a man not good female, cut left that. You see me? Why you don't want to mix up in a something bad? Why a woman don't want to something bad? Why a man don't want to mix up in something wicked? That's what I say. So we all have to know what we want, and if we don't know what we want, it's a go bad for somebody. You see what I say? Straight. Yeah man. It's a go bad for somebody. It's a go bad for somebody if we don't know what we want. Yeah man. I hate that.
Now this one is designed for 18 and over. Over. So 18 and over. Over. Yeah. Hey. Girl, won't you go home to your mama? Your mama, go home to your papa.